wanted to come on and just tell you about the Separett Tiny upgrade kit. There is a new 2025 upgraded Separett Tiny, so if you're looking to purchase one, be sure to check out our other videos that detail the Separett Tiny. But we had the older version that does not have the upgrade, so thank you to Separett for sending us the kit so that we can try it out and tell you about it. So today we just want to show you how to install it, and if you purchase one, how to put it on your Separett toilet. I also wanted to say that while Separett sent us the upgrade kit, the original toilet we did purchase ourselves, so just so you know that information.
Inside the kit, you'll receive the instruction manual, the front spacer and a cover, and also the urine bowl nozzle with the 2 screws that you'll need. You'll need 2 tools for this project. You'll need a number 2 Phillips and also a number 25 Torx screwdriver. The first step is you're going to take that Torx screwdriver and unscrew the 4 screws securing the upper part of the toilet. The next step is to carefully lift the upper part and rest it on the support beams of the lower part. If it's too tight, you're going to proceed with cutting the pin instead, which can be found in the instructions under Alternative to Cutting. We did not have to do this part as ours was able to easily lift up and set it as the instructions described. Up next, you're going to find the pin, and just under that you will find 2 screws. The next step is to unscrew the 2 screws holding the pin system, and you're going to remove the entire pin system assembly.
Oh wow.
Up next, you're going to lower the upper part back into its original position and reattach the rear 2 screws. Up next, you're going to install the spacer. You're going to insert the thicker part of the spacer into the front slot. You're going to secure it using 2 new screws that are included in the kit. Finally, you're going to click the thinner upper part of the spacer into place. You may secure it with glue and silicone if desired, but we chose not to do this because access to the front screws will be restricted if the spacer is glued. So we chose just to snap it on there, and it seemed to stay just fine. You'll now be able to close up the lid, and when you press on the toilet seat, you'll notice that it is now pretty stable. It does not shake like it used to, and also the flap seems to close better than it used to. The next part is going to be to replace the urine nozzle. Because the spacer alters the position of the upper part, the urine nozzle must be replaced. So you're going to unscrew the 2 screws holding the existing nozzle and remove it. We then took that opportunity to go ahead and clean that area. There was some urine buildup, so you'll want to clean that. Next, you're going to position the new nozzle in the same location. As you can see here, my husband is pointing to the little notch. You're going to put that part on the bottom when you place it back on, and then you're going to fasten it using the original screws.
So that's it. Took us probably about 10 minutes to do, so not bad, and we definitely think the final product is better than it was before. It seems to close better. I know before we had to kind of, lift the toilet seat a little bit to get it to close well, and now it seems to do that on its own. And as you can see here, it doesn't kind of teeter-totter back and forth like it did before. So if you're interested in purchasing this kit, I'll put my affiliate link below where you can find it on Separett. And if you're interested in learning more about the Separett Tiny, be sure to check out our other videos listed in the description box below. Happy shopping!